game, we're going to learn an activity called reading and sequencing numbers. This is a very important step for all young mathematicians. In this game, students will be practicing counting between two numbers. Now, the first step is to talk with your child or observe yourself and find out what level are they. I have 5 different levels in this game. The first one is counting between 1 and 10 forwards. Level 2 is counting between 1 and 30 forwards. Level 3 is counting between 1 and 100 forwards. Level 4 and 5 deal with counting backwards. Make sure that your child has mastered forward counting before you tackle backwards. Once you've determined what level your child is, you need to make or print number cards. So you can use index cards and write numbers, or you can print number cards. The number cards that I've linked here are simple. They just look like this. You can just as easily make these number cards on note cards or pieces of paper. Third, you need to organize the cards into piles of 10. If you are level 1, you'll need to organize these into 2 different piles, say 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. For all the other levels, you'll organize them into piles of 10. You're going to play. What you'll do is draw the top card of 2 piles and count from one number to the next. Okay, so we have all of our cards in piles. We've got numbers to 10, to 20, to 30, and so on. You can flip these over so you can't see them or have them right side up, it doesn't matter. And what you and your child do is choose a card from 2 different piles. So say I choose 32 and 76. And what that means is then I'm going to count forwards. This would be level 3. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and so on until I get to 76. I can just stick these cards behind because if you organize them once, it's kind of a pain, so you might not want to have to organize them twice. Now, if you get into where you're counting backwards, same thing. 2 cards, but this time you would count backwards from 68 to 49. Now, I just want to really express how important it is that you think about the level your child is at, because if your child is not ready to go to 100, this game can be really frustrating. So start with up to 10. Start with up to 30. Maybe add 10 as you go, but be really thoughtful about not just pouring all this on if you don't think they're ready. Have fun. This is a game that you can keep playing, and children can continue to practice their counting all year long.